Mastering audio clarity, the magic of using a pop filter. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of audio clarity and perfection. If you've ever wondered why your recordings might not sound as professional as they could, you're in the right place. We're going to discuss a simple yet powerful tool in audio recording, the pop filter. Let's unravel the mystery and learn how to use a pop filter to enhance your audio recordings. A pop filter is a simple screen that is placed between your microphone and your mouth. It serves as a protective shield for your microphone. When you speak or sing, certain letters like P and B create a burst of air, known as a plosive, which can cause a pop sound in your recording. These sounds are not only distracting but can also potentially damage your equipment. The pop filter acts as a barrier, dispersing the air and allowing your voice to pass through clearly without the popping noise. Using a pop filter can significantly improve the quality of your audio recordings. Here are some key benefits. 1. Reduces plosives. By filtering out the blasts of air, it prevents the popping sounds when pronouncing words with plosive letters. 2. Protects the microphone. It acts as a shield, keeping saliva and moisture away, thereby prolonging the life of your microphone. 3. Improves clarity. With a pop filter, your voice comes through clearly, enhancing the overall quality of the audio. 4. Adds professionalism. Using a pop filter is a sign of professionalism. It shows that you care about the quality of your content. Setting up and using a pop filter correctly can make a significant difference. Here are some tips. 1. Positioning. Place the pop filter about 2 inches away from the microphone. This allows enough space for the air to disperse. 2. Angle the filter. Make sure the filter is between your mouth and the microphone, ideally at a slight angle, to further reduce plosives. 3. Speak across, not into. Aim your voice to the side of the filter, not directly into it. This technique helps in reducing plosives and sibilants, the hissing sound from S and sh sounds. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge to use a pop filter effectively. Incorporating this simple tool into your audio recording setup can make a world of difference, ensuring that your voice is heard clearly and professionally. We hope you found this video helpful. Happy recording! And remember, the clearer the voice, the bigger the impact.